एलए ग्लोबल फाउंडेशन ने मिशन पॉसिबल 2 नवाचार और समावेशन के माध्यम से वैश्विक विकास को सशक्त बनाने थीम के तहत ग्लोबल यूएन सस्टेनेबल इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ समिट 2025 सीजन 5 का सफल आयोजन होटल पार्क प्लाजा नई दिल्ली में किया। सम्मेलन की शुरुआत दीप प्रज्वलन समारोह से हुई, जिसे सम्मानित अतिथियों डॉक्टर शंकर प्रसाद शर्मा, माननीय नेपाल के भारत में राजदूत श्री हेमंत शर्मा, अवर सचिव एमएसएमई मंत्रालय डॉक्टर एस गोविंदराज जी, आयुक्त पीडब्ल्यूडी सामाजिक न्याय एवं अधिकारिता मंत्रालय और श्री सुहास देशमुख, निदेशक एनसीवीईटी तथा एलए ग्लोबल फाउंडेशन के नेतृत्व द्वारा गरिमा में उपस्थिति से संपन्न किया गया।
Myself, Dr. Meenakshi Sahani, founder, president, LA Global Foundation. It's a registered charitable affiliated NGO and trust with 12A and ATG licensed. We are in support of Global United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals worldwide globally. जो ये प्रोग्राम था, आज हमारा सीजन 5 लॉन्च हुआ है। दिस इज़ द 5th ईयर ऑफ सक्सेसफुल विक्ट्री ऑफ LA Global Foundation, who've been supporting the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, not only for quality education, decent work and employment generation, but also we are supporting the global health and the well-being of various fraternity and जो आज का प्रोग्राम है वो बेस था decent work for all and partnership for the goals। उसके लिए हमारे हाई कमिश्नर चीफ गेस्ट थे नेपाल टू इंडिया। Then we have various dignitaries from Ministry of Skill Development. We have Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Then we have Under Secretary of MSME today who has joined hand. And not only these people, but various countries have participated. From the Embassy of Denmark, we are having the High Trade Commissioner today. Then there are some income tax senior officers who has joined the hand for sustainable. This is really awesome to see the work. It's an incredible initiative that we feel very proud to announce that. So we are feeling very well versed, we are feeling very worthy, immersive today, and on top जो support हमें मिला है सारी ministries को एक सूत्र में बांधना, तो ये LA Global ने करके दिखाया है। और partnership for the goals are being nominated today. We are ready to integrate various projects of startups, entrepreneurs, development, empowerment, not only for India but various countries. So ये एक mission है जो we have launched. It's a mission 100K. We want 1 lakh people to get with us as an advocacies, and we have accomplished till now 300 plus worldwide advocacy leaders with us. ये support पूरी नहीं हो सकती जब तक हमारे सपोर्टर्स ना हो। तो आई वॉन्ट टू थैंक्स टू LIC of India. I would like to say thanks to United Nations SCAF for the knowledge partner. I would like to say thanks to Keystone Robotics. I like to say thanks none other than EcoTrail. The Curtle has been there. Then I like to say thanks to Dr. Amita Billa as well. So these are, and on top I like to say thanks to the organization that I had collaborated, that is Tarun Kandari ji and company LLP, not only in India, but we have opened the chapters in Dubai, and many more would be coming, with your kind support. And on the top, Elite Hyderabad, they have been supporting the various startups. They are trusting our caliber, and they are sending them to, to New Delhi, that, the LA Global have the capacity to make them the scale up. So be there with us, support us year after year. We are really looking forward many more supporters. और ये पूरा नहीं हो सकता mission until unless आप सबका support हमें मिले. Thank you so much for all that you your love, for your blessings, and we need it I think year long. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Urvashi Mittal. I'm past Association Secretary for Association for Innerwear Clubs in India. I'm thankful to Dr. Meenakshi Sahani, founder, La Global Foundation, for inviting me and making me a panel here. This was an interface for everyone to share their thoughts and be inspired from each other. The program says global, UN global, economic growth. So basically the moment we talk about growth, we talk about entrepreneurs and we talk about environment also. Environment is my forte, And thank you to media, which calls me Flask Lady. So this is no rocket science, but I was so happy because here we had representatives from other countries also. So whenever anything becomes global, that obviously becomes bigger. So you are getting an opportunity to talk to them also. So to be able to tell them that we need to have more Flask Ladies around, that was really great. And here I did hear other speakers, because whenever you go, whatever they talk about, that you further take away. So that is the takeaway. I heard about the new materials which were being used for building material or the kitchen solution which was sustainable. So from now onwards, I can talk about that too. And I could leave my message here that this is no rocket science. I repeat. So please carry your steel flask with you. And I told them there are two types of entrepreneurs. One is income driven, one is impact driven. I am impact driven, and I'm so much thankful to people like Dr. Meenakshi Sahni who gives us a platform. Thank you.